It's Patrick and Dylan at Pals Ocala Auto Repair. And Dylan, you just set the bearing with the press, right?
Yep.
Now what are we going to do? You got the pinion shaft there. That's a crush sleeve?
That's what measures your pinion depth.
And pinion depth is critical because if it's too deep, it'll burn up the gears. If it's too far out, the gears won't contact properly and you'll get a wobble, which will cause the differential to fail.
So the outer pinion bearing sit here and gets pressed on by the bolt, but this will actually crush just so ever slightly to give us our correct depth.
Okay, so you put this bearing in with our press, and on this one, when you put the nut on, it's going to pull it together and it'll set on this crush sleeve just slightly to set the depth.
Yep, and it'll crush it down just a little bit.
Okay.
And that's what gets you your bearing preload as well.
And that's the first step. So before you put in the ring and pinion, you got to have before you put in the ring gear, you got to have the pinion gear in.
Yep.
Okay. If you've got a differential and need it set up right, bring it to Pals. See you soon.